You live in church. People who are starving, holding the cross. They're falling. I see Jesus holding the cross, going to God, falling and waking up. Says I am going where I am.
I will not give up.
Before I reach, because I check out the cross, I want to ascend with it, holding the cross. Deny yourself and take up the cross and follow me. Perhaps if we unpack this a bit and follow me.